Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video I am eating jambalaya. Is it jambalaya or jambalaya? I think it. And this is homemade. This has got chicken, chorizo, rice, peppers, tomatoes. Insane. Has some homemade rosemary and onion bread. And you might remember these. These are, oh, this is elevating. These are my Mexican pancakes. I won't say Mexican because I'll get the food police coming after me. These are just some sweet corn and green onion like cakes. I have to try them. So hungry. So I'm gonna do like a chatty video today because I just felt like it. So let's get into the video. I'm excited. My Diet Coke, which is just life. Everything and more. I hope you like my hair. Let's get into this. Oh my God, please. Let's do this. Look at that. Let's go. This is so good, guys. It's so comforting. Oh my God. Feels really weird not having a microphone. I was getting a lot of comments that you guys just wanted to see my mukbangs. You know, wanted to hear some talking as well. So here we go. So good. Spilling it everywhere, but in my mouth. This is incredible. Let's try the bread. Dripping in butter. Wow. So sweet. So how have you all been? Life is just same old. So good. Same old, you know, just plodding on, doing what we've got to do. I did hear that in Europe, I think the lockdown has been lifted. Some parts of Europe, which is amazing. So it gives us hope that it's going to happen to us. This bread. But it's been a very, very long process, hasn't it, guys? So tasty. Oh my God. I think rice is so comforting to eat. So good. But yeah, I mean, it's hard to believe that it's been since I think the UK went into lockdown on the 23rd of March, a day before my birthday. It's been a while, hasn't it? It's been like a month and a half. All of April was spent in lockdown. What? To be honest, I am pretty sick of like hearing about it because it's all we talk about. But these are so good, guys. You know, the world will go back to normal, and I'm starting to realise that, you know, there is going to be light at the end of the tunnel. Things will go back. I think we need to give each other a very big pat on the back. Because we have, I'm sorry, I don't really like. We have really, well, I have anyway, really stuck by the government. I'm not going out. And we should be proud that we don't have it, you know, that we haven't caught it yet. What's an achievement? So, oh. So, also guys, I wanted to give my incredible shout out, my incredible subscriber. He is called Jake, and I'm going to put his Instagram on the screen if he gives me permission, because I'm going to ask him first. He is absolutely amazing, and you should all check him out because he's been so supportive with me and my channel. He's been a godsend. He really has been an amazing friend, amazing person, and you know, we should all give him some love because he's a great, wonderful human being. So thank you, Jake. Oh my God. Look at this. I'm full. I don't have a very large stomach. I don't know why. Let me know if you prefer these videos. The OG. I just love ASMR because I feel like I really can edit really well. I love editing. I really do. I love audio. And it just excites me when I hear that noise, the noises. Yum. I'm getting so full. Rice is so filling, but rice is the kind of thing that you eat and then an hour later you're hungry again. Yummy. So good. I'm so full. Oh my God. It doesn't even look like I've eaten much, but I have. had jambalaya before. It kind of tastes like a simplified paella. And I know jambalaya, you know, typically does have shrimp, but I don't like fish, so that had to go. Let me know if you've had jambalaya. Is it called jambalaya? Is it called jambalaya? What is it called? Let me know. Oh, I'm about to burst now, guys. Can't eat any more. It doesn't look like I've eaten anything, does it? Oh, one of these. So full. So good. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this kind of chatty video. I just wanted to let you know that I'm doing absolutely amazing. My family is as well. I hope your family are doing amazing as well. And I hope there's not being any disruption with this whole coronavirus, and you've managed as well as you can. I can't wait to go outside. I can't wait to go and get my lips done again, get my Botox. I just can't wait to be an old person again. You know what I mean? Just to do our own thing. I love you all so much, guys. Thank you for tuning in and watching my video. Let me know if you've had jambalaya before. And I'll see you in my next one.